Hello, welcome to another Panther tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to upload artifacts to our student portfolio. First thing you need to do is have that Google screen open and make sure you're logged in. Click on the icon or the picture. Check to make sure your address is there. And let's open up applications. Student portfolio, you can see that I have classes up at the top. Now I need to insert an artifact for all of my classes. I'm going to do a couple samples and then you'll do the rest on your own. One of the things that I need to do is create the page where my artifact will be housed. So I'm going to go to Pages. The first artifact I'm going to upload is my English artifact. It'll be here in my English folder. But first I have to create that page for my first quarter artifact. So I'm going to add a page and I'm going to type in the name, quarter one, and the title of my artifact, which is an infomercial. If I press tab, I can get down to the done button. Alright, so now I have it here. It can't just sit out here on its own as if it's a class. I have to put it under my English tab. So I'm going to grab it and I'm going to drag it up to the English tab until you can see the thick blue line, and I'm going to drop it there. Now I need to put in my infomercial, so I'm going to go to Insert. And the easiest way that I found to do this is to actually embed the URL. So I'm going to click on this. And you can see this is where I'm going to copy and paste my URL. I don't have the URL yet. I'm going to grab it now. So I'm going to go to YouTube. And I went to my history so that I can see my videos. And this is the video that I want to embed. I don't want to watch it. It's hella funny though. And I need to find out where the URL is. I guess it's just right up here. Okay. So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back to my portfolio. I'm going to go to embed URL. I'm going to paste it here. Voila, Miss Emma's face. I'm going to press OK. I'm assuming this is the OK button. There it is. Now I can resize it to any size that I want. Okay. So now I have my artifact for quarter one in my English uploaded, and it's done. So I'm going to go back to Pages, and I have a document for my astrophysics class. So again, I need to create Now this is important. We need to click here where it says anyone at DPS can view the link. We want to say, we want to go down here to more. Anyone with the link. So if they have the link, they're able to look at it. And we're going to press save. And I'm going to copy this link. And press done. And go back to my portfolio. Remember, now I have to insert it. I'm going to go ahead and embed the URL. Now I need one more thing. I need to upload, let's say, a picture to my computer engineering class. Quarter one. I'm going to call this Dora. Alright, and right now it's underneath computer engineering, but I still need to make sure that it's in that tab. So I still got to grab it. I got to lift it up. Make sure that blue line is there, drop it there. And I just put it under Team Sports, my bad. Take a pause and see if I can get it. Okay, we got it. Jeez Louise. Alright, so now I need to insert a picture. So I'm on my page and I need to get an image. I need to find this picture first, and I have a feeling that I'm going to have to go search for it. So let's do that first. My picture just happens to be in my email. When I met Dora the Explorer in Minneapolis, and I made her turn around because I wanted a picture with backpack instead of her. Alright, so now I'm going to go back and view my pages. I have something for computer engineering, I have an artifact for my astrophysics, and I have an artifact for English. The next thing that I need to do is make sure that I have an artifact for the remaining classes. When I'm done with this, I can take a look at it and see kind of, what it looks like. So I see my drop down here. Voila. Have my drop down here. Go to computer engineering. And I have my drop down. Okay. So everything is in its place. Maybe, what's going on? Okay. Let's publish. So I didn't do this before, so I have to do it now. Remember, anybody on the web can see this. and I'm going to publish it. Alright, let's view. You can see I probably need something fun on this first page, but I can see all of my artifacts here. The end.